Hello and welcome, it's Julie Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, doing a really easy acrylic fluid art pour that really anybody can do. It's quite simple, so you can do it with family and friends. If you're new to acrylic fluid art, there is in the description below each video links to videos on how to mix your acrylic paints to make them fluid, or any other beginner's thing you might like, my particular homemade pouring medium and the like. It's all underneath in the drop down box. I don't hide anything. So with these two little canvases that I'm going to do, I'm just going to demonstrate to you a really easy technique that gets fabulous results, and both different colours. So we're going to work with two different colours, as you'll see, but equally stunning results. I got so many favourable responses for request for video when I showed the photos of these, so I decided to do the video. So I've basically put on a bottom coat there, just to coat my canvas, but I did it quite thickly because I'm doing a swipe and I want to bring up some nice cells. So that blue that I mixed has got Australian floral in it, and you'll see the difference that it makes. So it's swiping through it and it's literally cells up with these stunning cells. I'll bring you a bit closer to have a look at those. There you go. Absolutely gorgeous. So on with the next stage now. Puddling my colours, and I'm just going to do one simple botanical effect in that corner, and you can see how just very minimalistic simple thing often do look the best. So I've got the champagne gold, and now that is actually the like navy, a navy blue in there, and a little bit, I think that colour is called sand. So sort of keeping it minimal, and then I'll just the same again. That was I think it was cerulean blue. So I'm keeping it, sort of simple, and then I'm just going to literally use my stainless steel straw with my bendy end to blow my effects out. My goodness, this is just beautiful. Absolutely loving it. Look at those supercells. Absolutely gorgeous. It was just my normal Montmartre cerulean blue mixed with a little bit of glitter paint, a normal pouring medium, bit of floral. So that's made that absolutely supercells. There's absolutely no silicone in my paints. And then this gorgeous flower, even where I dipped the residue on my wax paper. So I can let that actually dry and cut it out for a piece of jewellery to put in a caboose on or something. Well, I don't do that, but I could do it. All right, super happy with that one. Pretty. I'll do the next one now. Here we go for the next one. Should I do the same background but different colours, or should I do maybe I try this. I just squiggle me white on there. I might actually try the gold with it. I just like to change it up, I guess, from just a white background. But I mean, once I do that, it's not going to really make much difference. Oh, just for my own simple pleasure. Oh, I like that. That was the champagne gold mixed with the white. Should I do the blue? No, I'm gonna try a red. Go really daring. These dogs, every time I go to talk, they decide they're gonna bark at passing kangaroo or a kookaburra or something. So yeah, just gently tilting so it run over the back. Not worrying too much about my edges because I can do those when I've finished. So we'll see if this one gives the same kind of cells when I swipe. I can already tell that it's not those kind of cells, so it must have been, I used some glitter paint in that, so maybe the glitter paint had something in it that is not even celled up. That's pretty amazing. I could tell straight away if that was going to get cells. Let's just try a bit of the blue with it. This will really set the cat amongst pigeons, won't it? It might be a whole slippery, sloppery mess, but you know what? It's only paint. Don't stress over it. That's what I say. So we'll try this again. I want to swipe it again. It still would look nice on that plainer background, and I know I could certainly do something with that. Let's give this a go. Just don't know, do you? Oh, flipping floppers. It's this paint that's really causing the cell reaction. I can see there, not so much. It's strange, hey? That is strange. Just, it's not as nice as this. But anyway, I'm going to push on with it. Now the cells are starting to come like little tiny champagne cells, not like this sort of teardroppy cells. Okay, I might do this corner this time. Go with the blue. And the champagne. And a bit of that. I'll show you the cerulean blue from Montmartre. And I mixed a bit of, it was from Lincraft, which is a local store, craft store here in Australia. It was glitter paint, and I'd mixed some of the glitter paint in with my colour, and then mixed it with my normal pouring medium, plus added a bit of Floetrol. I might keep this one a little bit on the darker. Oh, I like that too, very much. I might try the bigger balloon just to see. Ooh, looky, looky. Look at the lovely balloon kisses. See, this is wax paper and the acrylic dries lovely on it for you to reuse it for something else. I'll get myself in a right mess here. I am the unorganised. I was going to say unorganised. I haven't been drinking, I promise. That's beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. It's completely different than this one. And some people say, oh, well, I don't like the cells anyway. Well, there you go. There's one for you then. And you don't have to add any wispy bits, and I'm doing it because I enjoy doing it. So remember, your art, your rules, your way. And I getting in the right mess here. Oh, gosh. Oh, my goodness. I tell you. Good job nobody employs me, isn't it? Because they would sack me. Didn't have my gloves on or nothing. Oh, let me just do a little tiny balloon kiss in this to see if it brings up the colours underneath. Oh, yes, look at that. Look at that. Fabulous. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, I'm doing a few now, fireflies and butterflies. Or shooting stars, or whatever you choose it to be. See, this size canvas is lovely to gift. It's so nice to give somebody instead of a card, actually. You can give them a little painting like this. That is my resident gecko here in my art room, and he's just agreed with me, so all's good in the world. Just tiny little balloon kisses. Oh, there can be never too many balloon kisses, I say. Absolutely fabulous. Enjoying my day. Super duper. Hope you enjoy that. That's my little gift for the day. I can finish those edges off afterwards. I'm super happy with those. A very quick and easy acrylic fluid art experience, and anyone can do it. I'll bring you down closer on that second one now. But please take care, my people. If you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, don't suffer in silence. Ring a family member or a friend, or if not, a helpline. Okay, until next time, bye for now. So, look at those lovely little fireflies. Absolutely gorgeous, just on the simple background there. Then the one up there, look at that. That's fabulous too. Really happy with those. Very easy little, I call them just a gift. They're so nice to just gift to people instead of a birthday or greeting card, or just because you want to give someone. Random act of, not charity, gift of love. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.